Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use formulas in the Outlook Online. For that, we are going to cover in the Outlook desktop application. So this is my Outlook desktop application where I have created with the tables with the details of the amount for the particular person. So if I want to create the total value of this numbers, so click here and click on this layout option, and once you click on that you can see the three dot option here, so click on that, and here you can see the fx formula, so click on that. And for calculating the above columns, all the columns, so you have to use the formula equal to sum above. So once you done this and click on OK, so now all the columns will be added and sum will be provided in the total column. So this is the method we can add all the values which is above the column, and the total will be provided at the particular column. Now if I want to add the down all the columns, so I'm keeping the mouse cursor here, click on the three dots option again click on the formula. So give the formula like sum open bracket, so here I'm giving below, so that all the below columns will be added and the total will be provided at this column. So this is how we have to add the below columns using the formulas. So now I want to add the right columns of these two values, so click on this option and click on the formula. So again give sum, so here I want to add the right value. So again if I click on OK, these two values will be added and the total value will be provided here. Again if I want to click on these two values, means which is left, so if I am removing this and again if I am clicking on this particular column and again going back to the formula, so here I want left value, so which I want to add these two left columns. So if now these two values will be provided here. So this is what the method we can use in the Outlook Online desktop application by using the formulas. So now if I want to add the left and right values, so for that I have to use the formula like so here this total values will be added. If I click on left and right, so the left and right total value will be added and provide the output here. So I hope you understood this simple video, and this is the method, standard method to add or use the formulas in the Outlook Online desktop application. Thanks for watching this video. For more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you.